The story of inventor and engineer Nikola Tesla.
Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia, to a Serbian family. His father was an Orthodox priest, and his mother was an inventor of household appliances. He was interested in science and engineering from a young age. And he studied at the Technical University of Graz in Austria and the University of Prague in Bohemia. In 1882, Tesla moved to Paris to work for the Continental Edison Company, where he designed and improved electrical equipment. He also invented his first induction motor, which used alternating current AC instead of direct current DC. He moved to the United States in 1884 and sold his patents to George Westinghouse, who supported his vision of AC power transmission. In 1891, Tesla invented the Tesla coil, a device that produces high-voltage electric sparks. And is used for radio transmission and wireless power. He also experimented with X-rays, fluorescent lights, remote control, and wireless communication. He built a laboratory in Colorado Springs, where he tested his ideas of wireless power and global communication. In 1901, Tesla began the construction of the Wardenclyffe Tower in New York. Which was intended to be a wireless transmission station for broadcasting power and signals across the Atlantic Ocean. However, he ran out of funds and faced competition from Guglielmo Marconi, who claimed to have invented the radio. The tower was never completed and was demolished in 1917. Tesla spent the last years of his life in New York, working on various projects and patents, but he became increasingly isolated and eccentric. He died on January 7, 1943, at the age of 86, leaving behind hundreds of notebooks and inventions. He is widely recognized as one of the most brilliant and visionary inventors of all time. And his name is associated with many fields of science and technology.